guys, today we're going to talk about how to use scissors correctly. First of all, you should always carry your scissors by the sharpest point, especially if you're handing them to a friend. It's a lot nicer to hand somebody a pair of scissors like this than a pair of scissors like this. So, you should have the right pair of scissors for your hands. I have big hands, so I need big scissors. You have little hands, so you'll probably have small scissors. Let's talk about how to hold your scissors when you're cutting. The small hole on top is for your thumb, and the big hole down here is for the rest of your fingers. So it should look like this when you're holding it, and your hands are just there to open and close your scissors. Now, let's talk about how to cut paper. When you're cutting paper, you want your scissors in your hand to look like you're giving your scissors a handshake. This is what it looks like from the side. Your thumb's on top and your other fingers are on the bottom. You might not even be able to fit all 4 fingers, and that's okay. I usually just use 3. This hand that has your scissors is just for opening and closing the scissors. Your other hand is what's going to move the paper while you're cutting. So let's practice cutting a piece of paper. Here I am, shaking hands with my scissors, and now I'm going to cut my paper. Now let's say I have a curvy line that I want to cut. I'm going to draw one for practice. Now I'm going to follow that line with my scissors, but I'm not going to move my scissors like this. I'm going to let my left hand guide the paper. And I'm just going to follow my scissor along that line. And the scissors are just opening and closing while my left hand steers the paper. Do you notice how I'm not cutting really fast? You always do a better job cutting when you don't cut that fast.